Hello everyone. Question is a company notices that their unit test in a test class with many methods to create many records for prerequisite reference data are slow. What can a developer to do address the issue? Option A, move the prerequisite reference data setup to a test data factory and call that from each test method. Option B, move the prerequisite reference data setup to a add_test setup method in the test class. Option C, move the prerequisite reference data setup to a static method in the test class and call that from each test method. Option D, move the prerequisite reference data setup to the constructor for the test class. Correct answer is option B. Question is UC Loans is a small company with a part-time Salesforce administrators. UC Loans wants to create a loan C record whenever an opportunity is won. What is the optimal solution for UC Loans to accomplish this? Option A, Process Builder. Option B, Quick Action. Option C, Workflow Rule. Option D, Apex Trigger. Correct answer is option A. Question is a developer is trying to access org data from within a test class. Which is object type requires the test class to have the see all data is equals to true annotation. Option A, report. Option B, user. Option C, profile. Option D, record type. Correct answer is option A. Question is which are relevant practices while analyzing the timeline of different types of transactions in the execution overview panel? Choose two options. Option A, log lines in the execution log panel can be analyzed for details about specific events. Option B, the performance tree should be used to analyze events future starting from the one that take the least amount of time. Option C, the execution tree can be used with the execution log to filter and get specific information about events. Option D, multiple short bursts of Apex events should be analyzed since they can add up to significant amount of time. Correct answer is option A and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a developer wants to retrieve and deploy metadata, perform simple CSV export of query results, and debug Apex REST calls by viewing JSON responses. Which tool should the developer use? Option A, Developer Console. Option B, Force.com migration tool. Option C, Workbench. Option D, Force.com IDE. Correct answer is option C. Question is a developer must create a custom pagination solution for accessing approximately 2000 records and displaying 50 records on each page. Data from Salesforce will be accessed via an API and not via Apex. How can the developer meet these requirements? Choose two options. Option A, use a standard set controller. Option B, use cursor 50 in SOQL queries. Option C, use offset in SOQL queries. Option D, use limit 50 in SOQL queries. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is a customer requires that when the billing address field on an account gets updated, the address field on all its related contact records should reflect the same update. How can this requirement be met with minimal customizations? Option A, create an after trigger on account to update its related contact records on update. Option B. Create a workflow rule on account to update related child contact records. Option C. Create a lightning process on account to update related child contact records. Option D. Create a scheduled batch job that updates all contact address fields based on the related account record. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.